Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are starting with the medicines of homeopathic materia medica and we will togetherly take the medicines from the Allen's keynote as well as the Borix materia medica. So today we will going to start with the A series medicine. There are some few A series medicines from the Boris materia medica are given here because um, these some medicines are not given in the Allen's keynote and only in the Boris materia medica. So we will take it first. So let's start with the A series medicine Apis canadensis, that is the Pinus canadensis. The common name of the Apis canadensis is hemlock spruce. So here I take the most important point which I feel according to the exam point of view these points are important, so I take it here. So Apis can uh, affects the mucous membrane. The gastric symptom are most marked in this medicine. The catarrhal condition of the stomach is present. Then the peculiar craving with the chilly sensation, especially in the woman with the uterine displacement due to the defective nutrition and the debility. Want to lie down all the time. So this is usually the character in the woman during the uterine displacement. So these are the introduction about the Abies canadensis, that it act on the mucous membrane. Mainly the mucous membrane is affected. There are the gastric symptoms in the Abies can, the catarrhal condition of the stomach, the mucous membrane of the stomach, and it also acts in the woman during the uterine displacement due to the defective nutrition and the debility. And the particulars about the head is it feels light headed, tipsy, and irritable. Particulars of the stomach are there is the canine hunger with the torpid liver. This is important MCQ point of view. Then the craving of the Abies canadensis is for the meat, pickles, radishes, turnips, antichokes, and the coarse food. Then there is the tendency to eat far beyond the capacity for a digestion, which is called as the bulimia. Remember the term bulimia, the tendency to eat far beyond the capacity for the digestion. Then burning and distension of the stomach and the abdomen with the palpitation, that is the indigestion. Then the particulars about the fever are there is the shivering and chill all over the body as if the blood was turned into the ice water. This symptom is also present in the aconite. So this point is also to be remembered. Then sensation of the cold water between the shoulder. This is during the fever, and there is the night sweats. The dose given in the Abiscan is first to third dose. So all these are the important point about the Abis canadensis from the Borix materia medica. Then our next remedy is the Abies nigra. The common name of the Abies nigra is black spruce. It is a powerful and the long acting medicine. Most of the symptoms are associated with the gastric disturbances. Then particulars about the head are hot with the flushed cheeks, low spirited, dull during the day, awake at the night, unable to think. So particulars about the stomach are pain in the stomach is always comes on after eating. There is the sensation of a painful lump as if a hard boiled egg was lodged into the cardiac end of the stomach. This is very important point. Then total loss of appetite in a morning and the cravings of the food in a noon and the night. So there is the loss of appetite in a morning, but in a noon and in at the night there is the excessive craving for the food. Offensive breath, which is called as the halitosis, and the eructations. Particulars about the respiratory system are painful sensation as if something was lodged into the chest. It has to be coughed up, lungs feel compressed. There is the worst coughing, the water brushes succeeds the cough. Then the dyspnea, worst lying down, which is called orthopnea. Then particulars about the sleep are there is the wakeful and the restless at the night with the hunger. There are bad dreams. The modalities of the abyss nigra is worst after eating. So there is the symptom like after eating the pain in the stomach started. So there is after eating the complaint get aggravated. Then the dose of abyss nigra is first to 13th potency. So these are some important points to be remembered about the abyss nigra. Then our next remedy is Abrus precatorius. So, or which is called as the Jacquarity. The common name of the Abrus precatorius is crab's eye line. So the it is particularly acted on the eye. So the particulars about the eye are there is the purulent conjunctivitis, the inflammation spread to the face and to the neck, the granular ophthalmia, that is the trachoma, and the keratitis. The dose for the abrus precatorius is mother tincture diluted locally, apply it locally, and the 3x internally. So that's it for today. Uh, so these are some A series remedy which we cover up here. Next we will take in next video. Uh, for today is over here. Thank you so much. If you like my work, please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Also like, comment and share. Thank you.